An opportunity for a catch for the wicket keeper. And it is Binita now who is keeping wickets for Nepal. Binita Somai. And another uppish sweep that results in an edge, keeping the keeper interested. Binita Somai was fielding in the outfield when Geeta Paudel was keeping, but now she's been asked to keep wickets. Interesting choice that struck on the back foot, on the knee of Jennifer Parry, but missed the off stump. So no interest shown by Nepal in terms of going for the appeal for a leg before wicket. End of the 13th over, Australia 88 for 3.
SBI, first Women's T20 World Cup cricket for the blind. Watch all the action live on DD Sports, Waves OTT platform, Prasar Bharati Sports and Indian Blind Cricket YouTube channel starting from the 11th to the 23rd of November 2025.
14th over underway. Dilisara Dhamala introduced back into the attack, and her reintroduction sees a bit of a sloppy effort. Dilisara Dhamala operating in her 4th over, 3 dot balls, 36 conceded, and here she has an opportunity to stage a comeback and try and make sure that her eventual figures look far better than they do at this point. 1 run of her first ball, and it's also an opportunity for me to thank our digital partner Namma League for their online and offline support. Namma League Tennis Ball Exhibition Cup is coming this December, so do keep an eye out for that, especially all the good people of Bengaluru. And it's also a moment I'd like to take to thank our title sponsor, State Bank of India, IndusInd Bank as well, decade-long partners to Cabby and Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled. Our other partners include HCL, RailTel and LIC. HCL, RailTel and LIC are first-time partners joining hands with Cabby and blind cricket in India, and we would love for this partnership to continue for years and decades here on in. A big shout out also to eClinical Works, supporter of the USA Women's Blind Cricket team, and an even bigger shout out to the government of Karnataka, long-standing supporters of all blind cricket, no matter the gender. They have been great advocates and allies of blind cricket in India. And Cabby, our beverage partner here in the Bengaluru leg, is of course Independence and Campa, and travel partners Presidency University, radio partner Red FM 93.5, Mast Maja Mari, and of course our broadcast partners DD Sports, live stream partner Prasar Bharati, and venue partners Samprasiddhi Sports, Estadio Bengaluru. A big thank you to all. Without your efforts, your advocacy, your support, your investment, this tournament would not have been possible. 4 deliveries done in this 14th over. Australia 96 for 3. Current partnership between Jennifer Parry and Adeline Rowe at a little over 10 runs. Dilisara Dhamala operating from the dressing room end. Currently Rowe is at the non-striker's end. Jennifer Parry back on strike, and she shapes up to go for another cross-batted stroke, but is miles away from that waiver delivery which has been called wide. This time Dilisara Dhamala goes wayward down the leg side but keeps it within the tram lines. End of the 14th over. Australia 97 for 3.
IndusInd Bank has contributed to India's growth by serving over 41 million customers through 3,000 plus branches and ATMs, transforming over 2.5 million lives through its inclusive banking and community initiatives. From supporting Paralympians to championing blind cricket, we continue to celebrate strength beyond boundaries.
मेरा बेटा ईशान डॉक्टर बनेगा डॉक्टर। मेरा ईशान तो साइंटिस्ट बनेगा। अब ये ईशान क्या बनेगा?
ईशान कुछ भी बने, उसके साथ हमेशा है LIC की अमृत बाल चिल्ड्रन पॉलिसी। बड़े सपनों का रखे ख्याल।
मेरी बेटी रिया तो
Sunita Bujel is back into the attack. The sole wicket taker. And there is another run-out opportunity. Nepal are appealing and up goes the finger. Australia lose their 4th wicket.
क्या लगता है आपको माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल में खुद को मास्टर करने के लिए कितने पैसे लगते होंगे? 2,000 रुपए, 4,000 रुपए या पूरे 10,000 रुपए? नहीं दोस्तों, सिर्फ और सिर्फ 200 रुपीज। सिर्फ 200 रुपए में आप अपने आप को माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल में मास्टर कर सकते हो। और सही कहूं तो 1 रुपीज का डिस्काउंट 199, और वो भी सिर्फ और सिर्फ 3 घंटे में माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एडवांस एक्सेल की इस वर्कशॉप को अटेंड करके। हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है राज सिंह। मैं एक माइक्रोसॉफ्ट सर्टिफाइड ट्रेनर हूँ। लास्ट 15 से 16 साल हो गए इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर मैंने 5 लाख से भी ज्यादा लोगों को एडवांस एक्सेल पर ट्रेनिंग दिया है और 300 से ज्यादा कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज को ट्रेंड कर चुका हूँ। इस 3 घंटे की वर्कशॉप में मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि कैसे बड़े से बड़े डेटा को एनालाइज किया जाए, पिवट टेबल को यूज करके वैल्यूएबल इनसाइट्स और रिपोर्ट्स और ग्राफ बनाया जाए, और दोस्तों कैसे एडवांस फार्मूला जैसे कि VLOOKUP, कॉन्कैटिनेट ऐसे फार्मूलाज को यूज करके बिना याद किए हुए एकदम आसानी से आप अपने एक्सेल में इसे अप्लाई कर सको। ये सारी की सारी बातें आप मेरे इसी 3 घंटे वर्कशॉप में सीखेंगे। सो दोस्तों, अगर ये प्रॉब्लम आपको है, फॉर्मूला और इन सब में स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो, तो अब बस हुआ, अब डिले मत करो। ये वर्कशॉप बहुत जल्दी फुल हो जाती है। रीजन क्या है? इसकी फीस सिर्फ 199 रुपीज है। तो इंतजार किस बात का है? अगर रियल में प्रॉब्लम है और सच में दूर करना चाह रहे हो इस एक्सेल की प्रॉब्लम को, तो नीचे दिए गए साइन अप बटन पे अभी क्लिक करो। इससे पहले कि वर्कशॉप फुल हो जाए, आप इसके पार्ट बन जाओ। और मैं राज सिंह आपका वेलकम करता हूं माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल की इस वर्कशॉप में।
This is your sign. Don't buy health insurance without checking PhonePe. PhonePe Health Insurance lowest price promise. If you find a lower price elsewhere, we'll pay back the difference.
At the very start of the 15th over. And once again, it's an erroneous call that does the undoing. Madeline Rowe, the striker on that occasion, wasn't sure if she had connected well enough. Didn't matter because the non-striker and her runner were sort of at fault, and the good wicket-keeping effort, good pick-up, quick release from Benita Somai, who has just been handed wicket-keeping duties, does the trick.
RailTel, a Navratna CPSE under the Ministry of Railways, is one of the most trusted end-to-end telecom, IT and ICT solution providers in the country. With an extensive optical fiber network along railway tracks, city-wide access network, data centers and mighty empaneled cloud services, RailTel's infrastructure is a testament to its strength. RailTel.
At Samarthanam Livelihood Resource Center, we believe that every individual deserves a chance to build their future with dignity, skill and independence. With 17 livelihood resource centers across 10 states, we have trained over 53,000 students to choose the right profession and achieve financial independence. We feel proud that 63%.
The on-field umpires are just having a look as to which batter in this tandem between Adeline Rowe and Jennifer Parry should be adjudged out, because both of them were not quite sure as to who had crossed. We'll have to wait for that confirmation from the third umpire. Four wickets down for Australia, 3 of those effected through runouts. I'm sure head coach Taylor would be taking prolific notes regarding that particular mode of dismissal. Australia started off really strong with Courtney Lewis putting on 46 runs for the opening wicket with Amelia Hard. And there is Adeline Rowe, not getting any connection with the willow, and she was ball watching. She's a B3 category batter, so Adeline did not have a runner, but after the ball struck her leg, struck her front leg, she was following the ball, and as a result, when the runner of Jennifer Parry called for the single and almost made her way to the striker's end, Adeline Rowe realized only belatedly that she needed to respond to that call. And it is the confirmation that Adeline Rowe has been dismissed. Jennifer Parry will retain her wicket and is back on strike. Emily Spencer is the new batter in, and she will be joining forces with Jennifer Parry. Jennifer's played an important hand in this innings of Australia's 24 of 40. Oh, through the legs of Jennifer. This one goes. The delivery from Sunita Bhujel. Nepal were briefly interested in the appeal. Relatively muted appeal. Doesn't lead to a wicket. A wicket followed by 2 dots. Nicely swept behind the wicket-keeper towards deep fine leg. Bimla Rai does well to keep it to just a single run, but it's a single run off the bat, which means the B1 batter will get 2 runs for the single run taken, as runs of every single B1 batter gets doubled. Australia on 99 now. 2 balls still left in the 15th over. How many more can the women in green and gold get in the remainder of the 32 balls of this innings? The projected score, as you can see, and to all the viewers and listeners joining us, has dropped significantly. It was at a point close to 175 odd, and now it has slumped to 135. Emily Spencer gets some connection, will need a direct hit. The fielder picked it up and ran all the way to the wicket-keeper's end to try and effect the run out, and I think that saved.
Need a personal loan? It's as easy as with only 3 documents: Aadhaar, PAN and your latest salary slip. Get up to rupees 10 lakhs in just 10 minutes. Download the MoneyView app to apply now.
आजकल सब बोलते हैं SIP स्टार्ट कर, कब, कहाँ, कैसे और कितना, ये कोई नहीं बताता।
बस इतना ही? चल अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं। जल्दी ग्रो ऐप खोल।
अभी नहीं, मेरी कैब आ रही है।
उससे पहले हो जाएगा।
खोला, अब
म्यूचुअल फंड पे जा और फंड सिलेक्ट कर।
वही यही तो नहीं आता।
ग्रो पे हर फंड के पास्ट रिटर्न्स, रिस्क लेवल और एक्सपेंस रेशियो जैसे सारे डिटेल्स मेंशन्ड होते हैं, जिसके बेसिस पे तू अपना फंड सिलेक्ट कर सकता है। अब अपने गोल्स के हिसाब से एक अमाउंट डाल, सिलेक्ट अ डेट एंड क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट SIP।
डन, हो गया। और मेरी कैब भी आ गई। बाय।
SIP शुरू करना is start easy. Start your SIP on Grow.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all the scheme-related documents carefully before investing.
The Australian non-striker running towards the wicketkeeper's end. 100 up for Australia. 101 on the board in 14.5 overs. Emily Spencer, 2 runs to her name. Jennifer Barry playing an important hand with 26 to her name. Looks like there is going to be another hold-up, and this time the umpire gestures at the Nepal dugout for the physio to make a quicker jog and make her way onto the field. Even the doctor has been summoned. One of the Nepal players clearly needing medical attention. Geeta Paudel, the skipper, also tending to that particular player. And the player in question is holding her forehead. One more delivery still left in this 15th over. A bit of concern here for the player from Nepal. Hopefully she's taken care of well and she'll be all right. We'll back with live action shortly.
Sisters truly special. Through their heartfelt performances, sisters aim to raise funds for Samarthanam USA and support the world's first ever T20 Women's Blind Cricket World Cup. Samarthanam continues to open doors for people with visual disabilities and inspire the world to see their strength and not their challenges. Up next, the Samarthanam sisters are set to light up stages throughout the world.
पढ़ाई में लड़कियों के नंबर अक्सर ज्यादा ही आते हैं,
इसलिए SBI देता है हर नारी को एजुकेशन लोन्स 0.5% कम इंटरेस्ट रेट्स पे,
ताकि मास्टर्स के लिए विदेश जाने वाली लड़कियों का नंबर भी ज्यादा रहे।
SBI, बैटिंग फॉर नारी शक्ति।
Modular kitchens that offer lifestyle solutions with value for money. Manufactured in Germany with high precision technology, Heka is synonymous with durability, innovation and quality. All for your complete peace of mind. Heka Kitchen, German made.
Samarthanam Institute of Music and Performing Arts. We offer Bharatanatyam dance, Hindustani classical music, Carnatic classical music and theatre arts drama. SIMPA provides free education for persons with disabilities and the underserved.
Right, we are into the death and Nepal are trying to make further inroads into this Australian batting lineup. They had another opportunity for a run out right there of the very first ball of the 15th over.
Sunadha, the Arts and Cultural Wing of Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled, where Samarthanam encourages artistic talent among people with disabilities by imparting training in dance and music. Team Sunadha has delivered more than 3,800 plus performances across 3 continents. The visually impaired musical band and dance troupe of Sunadha is deeply creative with talented musicians, dancers and instrumentalists. Sunadha performing arts beyond barriers are not disabled. They are definitely abled. Samarthanam's education program believes every child deserves a chance to learn, grow and lead a better life. Over 34,000 children have been educated through our initiatives, with 20% being students with disabilities and 80% from underprivileged backgrounds. Higher education with quality will take you closer to the better job. Through our higher education support, more than 24,000 students across 11 states have been able to continue their studies and chase their dreams. The vision behind Samarthanam's education and higher education program is to create an inclusive society where education empowers everyone.
SBI, first Women's T20 World Cup Cricket for the Blind. Watch all the action live on TV Sports. Waves OTT platform.
Lakshmi Lama back into the attack to deliver the 16th over. And she starts off with a wide. A slightly wayward beginning to this phase of death overs. 30 more legal deliveries to go. How many more can Australia get? No connection whatsoever on that occasion from Jennifer Parry. And it has been adjudged a no ball, which means the wide has been followed up by a no ball. There you go. Further indication from the umpire that Lakshmi Lama will need to re-bowl that delivery.
I passed out from IIT last year.
Passed out का मतलब बेहोश होना होता है. कॉलेज या स्कूल कंप्लीट करने के लिए graduated यूज करो.
Got it. I graduated from IIT last year and one of my friend now works with me.
One of my के बाद plural form आता है, तो यहाँ friend नहीं, friends यूज करो.
Sorry, one of my friends now works with me. मैं इंग्लिश बोलने में बहुत वीक हूँ. समझ तो सब आता है पर बोल नहीं पाती.
Don't worry, हम ऐसे ही डेली प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, जिससे कुछ ही दिनों में तुम्हारी इंग्लिश परफेक्ट हो जाएगी. अगर आप भी अपनी इंग्लिश को नेक्स्ट लेवल ले जाना चाहते हो तो अभी डाउनलोड करो PRUP और मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करो.
Parry nodles this into the leg side. Good single taken by the Australian unit here. Parry gets off strike, brings her batting partner Emily Spencer back in the thick of things. Emily Spencer has faced just that solitary delivery. Left hand B1 category batter. And this left hand right hand combination is also going to add to the headache of Nepal. Spencer, nice and quick lunge. Waited on that delivery. Just nudged it into the deep mid-wicket region, and it was a short mid-wicket that did the tidying up. Single taken, which means 2 runs added to the tally, and it's the B1 combination of Emily and Jennifer that will shepherd this innings through the death overs. Will be very much a legal delivery. Wide off Jennifer Parry, the right-hander, but well within the white line, the legalities within which a bowler is required to bowl. Wide, no ball, and 4 runs off the bat. Another quick single attempted. Is that a direct hit? Or did the wicket-keeper, the stand-in wicket-keeper, Binita Somai, have a role to play in that? Regardless, the Nepal unit have their tails up and they're celebrating what they think is a wicket. It was a little nudge once again from Jennifer Perry, and there was a very short mid-wicket who was onto it like a hawk, and it is going to be another run out. It is going to be another wicket for Nepal. 4th run out effected. Australia slumped to 109 for 5. Kanti Chaudhary's first ball of the 19th over has been nudged for a single by Courtney Webber. Where is this one headed? Good running once again. The boundaries are proving too hot to come by in the death overs for Australia. 10 more deliveries to go in this Australian innings. Webber, ooh, guides this towards deep third. Enough for the Australians perhaps to consider a second run. They do belatedly. Running to the danger end was Webber, but she makes it round with ease eventually. Good crisp ball and 2 runs awarded to the tally of Australia. Webber lunges forward, hammers this straight towards short mid-wicket who has a shy at the non-striker's end. Those long levers of Webber coming in really handy from the Australia skipper, Julie Newman. On strike, copes this one on her back foot. Would have been wise had they run off that ball ricocheting off the back foot of Julie's. They decide against it to the Australians. Last ball of the 19th coming up. Plays it well, plays it fine. Single to close out the penultimate over. 130 for 6 at the close of the 19th.
ईशान कुछ भी बने, उसके साथ हमेशा है LIC की अमृत बाल चिल्ड्रन पॉलिसी। बड़े सपनों का रखे ख्याल।
मेरी बेटी रिया तो पायलट बनेगी।
मेरी गुड़िया तो फैशन डिजाइनर ही बनेगी। अरे
Right then, last over of this Australian innings coming up. Bimla Rai bowling her first over of the innings, and she has her heads. She has her hands on her head because she starts off with a wide. Brushed away by Julie Newman. Single taken. Still no sight of boundaries. And नेपाल के जितने सारे फैंस जुड़े हुए हैं हमारे साथ इस ब्रॉडकास्ट और लाइव स्ट्रीम में, काफी खुश होंगे अपनी टीम की परफॉर्मेंस देख के। उनके बॉलर्स ने डिसिप्लिन दिखाया है। Played upishly towards point. Courtney Webber sets off for the single run very quickly. But credit where it's due. The Nepal bowlers have been very disciplined in terms of bowling on dot ball pressure on the Australian outfit. Line और length को काफी बेहतर रख के नेपाल के bowlers ने ऑपरेट किया है और प्रेशर बनाए रखा। And अभी भी सिर्फ सिंगल्स और कपल्स ही दे रहे हैं नेपाली फील्डर्स। ये फेज उनके लिए काफी अच्छा और पॉजिटिव रहा है डेथ ओवर्स और यही मोमेंटम लेके जाना चाहेंगे। स्ट्रेट टू द फील्डर एट पॉइंट दिस नच टुवर्ड्स द ऑफसाइड फ्रॉम कॉर्टनी वेब brings Julie Newman back on strike. A wide ball followed by 4 singles. Out comes the reverse from Julie. There is a fielder at deep third. Does well to pick it up cleanly and send it quickly to the wicket keeper. Still the boundaries, hey? Australia 136 for 6. Only one ball remaining in this allocated 20 over innings of Australia's. Bimla Rai finishes the Australian innings, batting innings with a dot ball for Nepal. And Australia have managed just 136 for 6 from the 20 over allocation. Skipper Courtney Webber and Julie Newman scoring 13 and 10 respectively in the tally of 136. The top scorer, however, for Australia will remain Courtney Lewis, 31 to her name. Jennifer Parry, the second highest run scorer, 30 of 48, which means Nepal, despite conceding 46 runs for that opening wicket in quick time, have staged a good counter-attack with the ball and they've limited Australia to... runs to get yet another victory to their name at the inaugural SBI Women's T20 Cricket World Cup for the blind. To all the viewers keeping us company, make sure to stay tuned as we will be back with ball one of the chase shortly.